Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Candy Crush update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or not showing up before a new episode drops? Here's how to force it through. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Then, pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then, look for Candy Crush Saga in the list of available updates and update it if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting for the progress or the progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold on the Candy Crush icon, tap pause download, then tap it again and tap resume download to kickstart it. Candy Crush updates regular download Candy Crush updates regularly with new episodes and graphics, so also check settings, general, iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes free. Since the updates fail silently when storage is too tight, free up space by offloading unused apps, then retry. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings beforehand can also help if the download keeps failing, and that's it. All you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage space, then update will complete, and that's it. Subscribe for more Candy Crush fixes.